This was a difficult film, so इसको time तो लगना ही था. And of course, there's no conscious effort कि मैं अपनी film delay.
Ashman, my
Hi.
question is, was this an conscious effort to kind of have an image change?
Conscious effort. I don't plan my life. It's just that whatever comes organically. And there was no plan. You know, he just met me like 2 years back, immediately after Vicky Donor, and he offered me this amazing story of an unsung hero. And the way he's fictionalized it, the way he has taken the creative liberty and added his own flavor to the story of the guy who made world's first aircraft is incredible. So I think there was no plan, but yes, this will be an image change by default because I've been playing quintessential North Indian guy till now, and this time I'm playing a Maharashtrian.
So, what kind of roles or the characters you are expecting to come your way after Hawaii Zada?
Okay, I think we should talk about Hawaii as of now, but yeah, after that I'm doing a film called, I've completed a film called Dam Laga Ke Aisha, where I'm playing a UP wala, simpleton from Haridwar. So that's also like way apart of characters which I've played till now.
Thank you.
हेलो
Hi, सत श्री अकाल की हाल है?
सत श्री अकाल वधिया ट्रेलर बहुत ही चंगा है बहुत ही वधिया
Thanks यार, thanks.
मेरा सवाल है सर कि इस रोल के प्रिपरेशन के लिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम लर्निंग द लैंग्वेज इट वाज अ बिग चैलेंज तो इसके अलावा आपने और क्या क्या प्रिपरेशंस की मतलब ऐसा ही रोल एकदम आ गया आप इस रोल
Of course, in fact, मुझे लगता है मुझे अपने आप को तोड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी था. Even the body language, the way I talk, walk or stand, it's entirely different from what I am in real life. तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी था. और उसमें I think Vibhu played a great role. Yeah, इन्होंने he extracted the best out of me. और भाषा अलग थी, मेलियो अलग था. एक I love living the past as well. नॉस्टैल्जिया जो है बहुत ही एक अच्छा कीड़ा होता है जो हमें पसंद आता है. एंड मुझे लगता है कि हर एक को एक रेट्रो फील वाली फिल्म्स, रेट्रो फील वाली गाने, रेट्रो फील वाले सीन्स काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. आई थिंक you'll be gratified when you see this film. You'll be transported like 150 years back and you'll see the aircraft for the first time. जो इंसान पहली बार एक हवाई जहाज़ में बैठा था उसका एक्सपीरियंस आप खुद यहाँ पर बैठ के सिनेमा हॉल में बैठ कर एक्सपीरियंस कर पाएंगे, which is amazing.
Hi Ayushman,
Hey.
Purvi here. Ayushman, there's a lot of gap between your films. Is it that it is consciously that you plan it that way, that so that you get to prepare for your roles?
In fact, I think I'm doing too many things in one time. I'm singing, I'm acting, I'm anchoring. So apart from that, इस film को बनने में time लगना ही था. It's like making the first aircraft of the world. This film was as difficult as making the first aircraft of the world. And I think we took a good 1.5 years, and he lived with the script for like 3 years. Yeah, and I think this was a difficult film, so इसको time तो लगना ही था. And of course, there's no conscious effort कि मैं अपनी film delay करूँगा, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं करेगा. But yeah, this kind of film required that amount of time and effort, and I think when you see the film, you realize what I'm talking about.
Iqbal here.
Hi.
Poster is very innovative. I'm late. I could not see the trailer. My question is to you that you have worked like being a arrogant girl in a Besaram and in this film Hawaii Zada. So how do you differentiate yourself and what are the challenges you faced in comparing to that film and this film?
Thank you for the question. I think both the films are very different. The previous film in which I was, it was a film about today. It was about today's girl. Hawaii Zada is taking me back 125 years. So I think what was really difficult was actually getting into that zone and understanding that time frame. And having been someone who's born and brought out outside of India, to actually understand the historical context of the film was even more challenging. So there were so many different elements, and as Ayushman said, Vibhu was integral to understanding that time, understanding the script, and getting into character. And it was definitely something which really involved a complete mindset change, much more than anything that I've ever had to do before.
Question to director Bibu sir. Sir, you have taken Ayushman Khurrana. He's known as a very naughty boy. So how did you manage on the sets to take good shots from him?
तुम्हें कैसे पता लगा मैं naughty हूँ यार? पहली film पे judge कर रहे हो मेरी.
But he is playing a naughty boy in the film also. So naughty boys are the people who change history. So he is playing a naughty boy.
Pallavi? Here.
Hi.
Pallavi, in the poster behind you, I just see Ayushman and the aeroplane. I don't see you.
Hanji.
Is this an out and out Ayushman movie?
ये
Aeroplane
आप-
के अंदर बैठी हुई पीछे वो. तो मैंने छुपा दिया उसको ऐसे करके.
So Ayushman's answered your question.